Okay, so let's put all these different elements together. What we have is we have the microphone, the USB microphone connected. We have a external webcam connected via USB as well. We have the full photo camera connected via the Cam Link capture card to the laptop. And the laptop itself is connected to two screens. On the laptop itself, there is the Microsoft PowerPoint presenters view. The presentation itself is playing on the big screen, and then the final screen here is where Zoom is running. So now we make the settings in Zoom. The first thing we need to select is we need to select the right microphone. So under microphone we select the NT USB microphone, and as audio output for the pre-listen we select again as speaker the NT USB microphone. So that means the audio is going in and coming out of the microphone. The next step is that we select the audio, so we select the video, we select the Cam Link, so that's the device that is converting the HDMI signal, and then we press start. So this is the image coming from the camera, and you will see there's some additional information, and that's what we're going to do in the next part. And then again, as I said in the beginning, the first part is talking on screen to the people, make sure there's a connection before you start your PowerPoints. But when we do start the PowerPoints and we start sharing our screen, we can just select the screen, not the software itself. That gives you a lot more control. For example, if you want to show your browser in between, and then we click share. So the advantage of this is that we know that every time we are, everything we show on the big screen will be sent to Zoom. And that's how we configure this setup. Now, as you see, there are some images here. We probably want to use different cameras, so we need a little bit more control. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the final step of getting full control over all these inputs and outputs.